You alright there, man?
Oh, I'm doing just fine. It's y'all that need to worry.
Is that right?
Yeah. You better get home right away. Especially for her sake.
Okay.
You look weird.
I got another pair if you want to join me. Okay, but get yourself inside. I'm warning you!
Dude, what are you doing?
Waiting. Handcuffed to this sign.
Well, yeah. No, I mean I can see that, but it's hot, huh? Why would you do that?
Oh, I want to be outside. To witness it.
Witness what?
The gravity. It's going to go away.
What?
The gravity's going away. Very soon, in fact.
Oh wait a second. You're a crazy person. You almost got me.
We'll see. But I'd get indoors. Or at least secure myself to something if I were you.
Okay. Okay.